Now this is a chem story all about how the periodic table of elements came about, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there, and tell you how I became the prince of naming the elements. On the west side of the periodic table, discovered and named on the chemistry field, mainly most of its days, finding out, discovering, naming all elements, and grouping some elements outside the lab. When the first 36 became understood, started making discoveries in my neighborhood. I started with H's for hydrogen and got scared. My mom said H's for helium. You nerd. Told her Li for lithium, Be beryllium, not to get confused with B for boron. She said C is for carbon, N is for nitrogen. I took a breath of O for oxygen and said might as well kick it. Cl is for chlorine, which rhymes with F is for fluorine. Yo, this is mad, keeping my teeth from going bad. N is for neon, giving my fluorescent signs light. This is alright. But wait, I hear Na is for sodium, Fe is for iron. Are these the kinds of names they should be giving these atoms? I don't think calling it tin Sn is fair. A is for argon. What is this elemental jargon? Don't matter. I hope they're ready for the prince of naming the elements. First time on a vanadium titanium plane. Feeling like Superman minus for krypton. Cause mama packed me some calcium, potassium wrapped in a bag of aluminum. Thank God I didn't have any magnesium, otherwise I would have diarrhea. Well, the plane landed. I thought I was in Germany, so I named the next element germanium. Saw this fine girl having a lot of pink, so I rhymed the next element zinc. She was scandalous like scandium, so I named her silicon selenium. I whistled for a Chevy Cobalt cab, and when it came near, had some 24-inch chromium rim. The license plate had GA, so it turned out I was in Georgia. If anything, I could say this cab driver was drinking arsenic, but I thought, nah, forget it. Yo, Broman, to the lab. I pulled up to the lab about 7 or 8, and I yelled to the cabbie, yo, sulfur, smell you later. Gave him a tip with copper and nickel, and I looked at my kingdom with plants fertilizing the phosphorus and manganese to sit on my throne made of silver and gold.